How to delete apps on apps limit on your iPhone. Maybe you've added some apps under apps limit on your iPhone that control how you use such app on your device. Like this one now, WhatsApp is under control. If you tap on it, you can see that it's no more active. But you want to delete this app so that you're able to access this app at any time. Then all you have to do is to very simple. Go to the settings icon on your device and tap on it. Once you tap on the settings button, go and tap on the screen time. Under screen time, then locate and tap on apps limit. Once you tap on app limit, it comes out like this. Now you can see that here we have TikTok, Facebook, and one more app. Tap on it. Then provide your screen time passcode to expatiate this page. Open it, then scroll up a bit. Then you see this option that says delete limit. Tap on it. Then tap on this delete button. Now by doing so, guys, you'll be able to delete all the apps you have under add limit on your device. So let's go and see the apps again. You see that the apps will be visible each time you tap on it. So Facebook, let's tap on our Facebook. Boom, you can access your Facebook again. So guys, that's all the simple process, guys, on how to delete apps on add limits on your iPhone. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.